Hello guys, this is Kushagawal and you are watching E-Learning Guruji. Today's topic is motion and time, and this is the part 3 of motion and time, in which I will be explaining you time. So let's start. Let's recap what we have done in the part 2nd of motion and time. We learned uniform motion and non-uniform motion, distance, displacement, speed, velocity and acceleration. Measurement of time. Let's start with today's part with measurement of time. In older days, there was no clock, so our ancestors could tell the time by seeing the shadows. For example, they found that the sun rises every day in the morning. The time between one sunrise and the next was called a day. Types of clocks. First, water clock. Second, pendulum clock. Third, hourglass, also called the sand clock. Fourth, we have divided it into modern watches and we use it now like the table clock, digital clock, wrist watch and the pocket watch. Water clock. In 1400 BC, Egyptians used water clocks to tell the time in day and night. Water was poured into a bowl with holes in it. As the water dripped out through the holes, people checked the water levels using special marks. Simple pendulum. A simple pendulum consists of a small metallic ball or a piece of stone suspended from a resistant by a thread. The metallic ball is called the bob of the pendulum. When the bob of the pendulum is released, after taking it slightly to the next side, it begins to move to and fro. Hourglass. An hourglass is a device used to measure the passage of time. It comprises two glass bulbs connected vertically by a narrow neck that allows a regulated trickle of material from the upper bulb to the lower one. Hourglasses may be reused indefinitely by inverting the bulbs once the upper bulb is empty. Modern watches. There are basically four types of modern watches. First, it is the table clock, which is kept on the table. Second, it is the digital clock, in which the time is very accurate because we need not to see the hands of the clock. Third, it is a pocket watch. As the name suggests, it can be kept in the pocket. Fourth, it is the wrist watch. This type of watch can be worn on the wrist and is very fashionable nowadays. And this completes our motion and time chapter. In the next video, we will be starting with electric currents and its effects. Guys, you are most invited to attempt an online test on my blog related to this video on www.elearninguruji.blogspot.in. So, stay tuned.